Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Alright guys, those are some identical twins in Trenchtown. You know, so here's gonna happen now. So today we're gonna empty this barrel and bring it over by Spanish Town for the Blind Brothers from Winstone Chronicles, the Blind Brothers. Yeah, I never should have this man could just take it out. Take it out. Yeah. Put out this one. And heavy. Yeah, make it a knife, huh? Oh, the ensure knife. The ensure is so heavy. Very heavy. Very heavy. I feel like the flour and the rice in it. Yeah. So the small, the small thing, now put the small thing then in the bag. Yeah, put the small thing there in it. So we have to give thanks to Winstone Chronicles, you know, we thank them so much, you know, for the Blind Brothers, them in Spanish Town, you know, so at least them all land up, you know, we have some things where they can cook and help for them over there, you know, because that's what them lack of, some food. So with this now, go a long way, you know, big bag of rice, 30 grand, hold on.
Everything in the crate.
This?
Everything in the crate.
Yep, they put everyone in one. This? The box if you're ready to, you know.
Box if you're ready, yeah.
I just got the ensure knife.
Well packed.
Take out in and make it first. Yeah. Stuck?
Yeah, let's take out the roll.
Alright, go on then. Yeah.
Jamie! No, don't put the sauce in there. Don't rub it up, say. I don't put the stir in that.
The box and pearl, that's your money.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh.
All your name.
I wouldn't even script that.
Nice.
Oh, it's nice. Are you doing?
Yeah, boom, boom.
Oh, yeah, I name the one script out. I went done.
No, man.
Alright guys, so see it now we lock and load. Lock and load, but this time it look like so yeah. I hope everything can hold. You know, especially the right size, the box, yeah, and everything. So hopefully they can hold. You know, so as we say, we give thanks once more to Winstone. Thank you so much. Now we're gonna head in Spanish Town. We're leaving from one town now go to the next town. You know, so the box is gonna take up a lot of space, plus these bags and the flour, that flour, the wheat flour as well to the sugar, gonna take up a lot of space. You know, and this bag is for Nikisha. This bag is from Nikisha as well, so from the One Love One Heart. What she say? Wait for say. Oh, cause the key now. Yeah. Cause the key now. Yeah. Cause the key now. Yeah, so this is from the One Love One Heart project as well too. You know, from Miramar, Pines, East Pines, Miramar to Keisha. Jackson. Just slide it on top of the tire. Good fit? Push the bag going on the car the same. Put that on the pan top. Yeah. The pan top. On the tier. It's turned from the side. Careful of her, the boy. Come in. Come in them, the boy. Them the two. How would I? Made it. Alright guys, so trust me, this car is like a tanker. It holds so much. So we're going to head over there now. So this car will a barrel and a box and plus. Eh?
No, the seat, I said when it's down so far about.
Guys, now we're gonna head in Spain Town. Wow.
say look over there.
Alright guys, so you know say one more saga after rain again. So I guess we have to go turn back. You know, from going to Spanish. There's too much rain and then the traffic as well too. You hear that thunder there?
Thunder? Yes, no. It's a bit darker.
And water. Guys, so we get caught in the rain again. You know, and the traffic. You know, yeah, so many traffic. We have to go turn back on this one because there's too much rain and too much traffic. The place is dark. You know, because of the weather. The traffic we got into Spanish Town is too much.
Bumper to bumper.
You know, long line, you know.
Yeah, that's what take away the gangster drive.
In the rain?
Yeah. Yeah, no work out. Right, the weather is so bad. So bad, so you know, so we have to go head back to Trench Town and just call it a day. And then tomorrow now we'll try to make it a bit earlier because it seems like rain will fall like afternoon time. Yeah, like right to touch in the afternoon. Pure water on the road. So this is me heading back. You know, pure rain. What a whole heap of blessings. So everybody must reach after tomorrow. Tell him so the rain is blessing, so tomorrow everybody rich. You know, tomorrow everybody is wealthy. Everybody's supposed to wake up wealthy tomorrow after this. All these blessings will flow right now. Right? That's that. Wake up rich tomorrow.
Wealthy, healthy.
Yeah, Jack's around us, wake up richer.
60
million.
60 billion tomorrow morning.
Yeah. And boom, I wake up with that. How did that go? All of this rain now, everybody wake up with something.
Yeah, man, 32 look a bit right there now. 60 we are go.
Yeah. Yo, you hardly can see the road the way the mountain rain are far. Hardly can see the road. All you can see is flashing lights in front of you. Can't see it.
Everybody
I want to pray something.
It's probably not reach, man.
Yeah, what is it?
Everybody get inside this
Mommy? Is that rain?
Underground.
The cast you living there now. Last cast.
I was the curtain draft. Can I tell you? We're not all? What should I do today?
The underground. So that means
It's a Kalisaga. I think it's a rain.
nah, I don't know. Probably not reach them side.
Alright.
I'm not telling you not reach a Trench Town side.
Alright.
Yeah, you know. So you know, Trench Town now get no blessings. No rain now fall back at Trench Town.
We have the rain.
I just that side alone and get the rain.
So now we're going to get something.
Yeah. Trench Town, sometimes it take a storm. Trench Town get the rain now.
Yeah.
The trench will come like a curse.
Some of them move the water.
Okay. So there's no rain back. We're going back now. The rain is back. Spanish Town side. Just imagine that. I see that calm down now. More heading to this side, it'll take the time and calm down.
We go further and further as it gets stronger and stronger.
Ah, boy. No rain in Georgia.
We'll get to some big rain.
Yeah, so we're going to head back in Trenchtown and tomorrow we'll get up early now
come down
and try to recover the rain.
Yeah, big rain for that.
Yo.
Yeah, Indo.
No.
Ah, cool, no?
Where you pass that, sir?
Yeah?
Where you pass that?
Alright, so yes, sir.
Great.
So we're back here in Trenchtown. You know, it's not much rain in Trenchtown, that's Drew. You know, we just look at Drew, so we're here. So we're just gonna go over by Father for the Year, you know, and drop off some stuff and give them a donation as well too, you know. So yeah, so boy, run left that rain and come back, there's not too many rain. Yes, brother. See hello, chicken and back. Chicken over here. Whoa. Alright guys, so I'm here by Father for the Year. Father for the Year! Father for the Year!
Vampire! Oh!
Say my come.
Dada!
Say my come.
Yeah, man,
Oh, see you. Father for the Year! Oh, chef, see me here. Yeah. Hello.
No, I'm working clothes.
What size are we here?
You know, shoes?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Supposed to have something you can fit here. High five. I come drive past here. I drive past here, you know. Yeah. Which part? How up I come from? Which part I see here? Across the road? Or?
How come you tell us one? I got 14 and what to do.
You see if it's true.
Sponge!
It's Ben.
Sponge!
Shanette, what size are we here, Shanette? Looking at this one, size 9. When I'm going to shoot this, size 9.
You're the size 9, not that big.
Because I'm going to fit small, that's why. Not that. Man, what vendor? Ben. What size Ben we here? That can fit you? The foot, aye. We need some pan of foot there.
Put your foot in the back.
I'm not sure before now.
High five, Ben. How you doing? Who? Shannon.
Fit me.
Fit you?
It's
Shannon is the same size. Talk about inches to make it taller, so you can thank one love, one heart.
Thank you, one love, one heart. For the
Yes, one love. She said that. They said that's all. That's all. Shannon. Think one small size. That can fit her?
Wow.
I think one of them.
That big. You will have to try it.
Smaller one. I think that is the small one is.
Oh, it can fit me.
No, that's too big.
That big channel.
Too big.
Kinda.
Oh, see the small one in.
Try it on this.
Are the same.
But is it the same?
Try it.
It has a paper inside of that.
Let me see. Yes, try it.
No one size.
One is big size. I think I wear size.
I think so one. Try that one up on Ven. Try that on Ven at a 9. Take out the paper outside. That fit right? Yeah. Just put it down here.
All of the foot back in.
All it.
All of the foot back in. Put it. Then all of the foot back in. Come son.
So should I want a 8? That room. So should I want a 8? Well, you have to go look in the bag then say a 8 over there.
I want to tell this come.
No. See another one.
Take out.
So that alright? Alright, I got
Take
two.
it. Take it. All right.
Yeah, more fees like one of them. Alright.
Supposed to have we'd have to check for an 8 over there. I think we're supposed to go have an 8.
Yeah, something, you know.
It's a 7. 7 that too big for 7. Esther, would have anything smaller than 7 of them here?
Yeah, it go up so. Cranberry them get a 7. The smiles was 6.
Oh, it gone already?
No, wait until they get a 6. Catalia.
Oh, Catalia.
Yeah, it our mother did take the 6.
Oh, so we never done more 6.
No, that's 160.
Oh, that's 160 there.
That's our 7?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just 160 there and I
160. I would never have no 6 in them sugar though.
no, that's small like 13.
Yeah, that's small. So that one good for Ven, I don't want 8.
Share right with that.
Share it with that. Alright, so that's from one love, one art. You know.
One love, one heart. Give thanks and you know. Love to say remember.
I would
Hear the family, you know.
Yeah.
And Dream Team, I big up Dream Team because Dream Team do a good thing for me. It's in for a longer time, so
Yeah.
stick with me all along. You see me? So bless up yourself and give thanks and many thanks again. Yeah?
Yes, sir. So, Shanette, here we have some stuff in here for you. School stuff.
Can I see these ones?
Yeah, so you got all these cool stuff. You got sharpener, you got rubber, you got crayon, and you got books.
Hardcovers.
Right? And that is for you from Winstone.
That's
Yeah.
so sweet of you. I actually do have some of those stuff, but they're gone. But I still have some. But I want to say it's actually nice of you to thought I wanted some. But yeah, I did needed some. I have about 4 markers, I think.
So
And
now you
I
get more.
Yeah,
It's a
so I
bit
can't
more.
lose them.
Yeah. So you're gonna need them all.
But I promise that I'll always keep them. So I always protect the stuff people give me, so their memories can't go away,
Yeah.
just like yours.
Can you use pencil, right?
Yeah.
So you got a pack of pencil, you got the sharpener, you got your rubber, you use glue? There's a glue in there as
In
well.
case one is my stuff cup.
Yeah. If you get rubber. Oh, she put them in there, bro. Okay. And here we have a donation as well to for your father for the year from Miss Miss Mavis from Bronx. I have $10,000 here for you from Miss Mavis from Bronx.
I give thanks to David from Bronx and bless you up here again. And then I may the day they send this the present day right now, because why me I tell you the present time to know the people. Give
Still a give.
and still a little give people. I give thanks for you do for me right now still, so I love you for that.
Yeah.
Bless up, every
Every
have
time.
a good day and a good year,
Every time.
Thank you.
You want to thank Miss Mavis as well too?
Yeah, thanks, Miss Mavis. This is actually a big appreciation for my dad.
Yeah.
And also, you know, they say money can't grow on trees, so I accept your hard work.
Just money can't grind you. Thank you so much. Alright, so we thank you. Yeah, so we thank you, Miss Mavis, you know, for the donation for the family. I will also thank Winston, you know, so she gets some of the books, them, the pencils, the crayon, also rubber. And also One Love, One Heart, you know, for Miramar, East Pines, you know, for the shoes them. That Ben got one as well too, and also what's her name, Lily? Yeah, Lily, which is vampire, father for the year, both daughters. You know, so Shannon, there wasn't no size in there to fit Shannon, because Shannon was size 6. And the only size 6 that was there was Catalina, one of the Dream Team girls, and they get one already. So, but we're going to still look, to see if we see any more sizes that could fit her same way. But we give thanks and we appreciate everything from our extended family. We thank you so much for reaching out. You know, I'm going to say thank you is like an understatement, and I hope the Almighty will continue to do the work of blessing you guys in the right way, you know, with health and strength. That's the most thing that we always needed as well too, you know, because without health, out of the work, you know, so we give thanks every time, guys. We give thanks. So I just see there's not much rain here in Trenchtown, but in Spanish Town where I was heading to, whoa, we have to turn back. Yeah, we have to turn back, man. There's too much rain, man. It's too much.
I get you still.
Yeah, hopefully. Well, it just seems like.
I get over there, so I was
Yeah.
now look up,
Look more.
give thanks to the Dream Team, because
Yeah, man.
we like on the stick with me, and
Yeah, I said, man.
Don't have them. All big up on yourself, and also boy,
Yeah.
Best of here to you,
Yes, yes.
Peace, love, don't know, yeah.
Okay.
The other Bob Marley, so one love.
One love.
Give to come from my heart, yeah.
Yeah.
Big up yourself. All of the door and them, I know. I appreciate all look for me and the youth, the man and me.
Yeah.
So, Kilo,
Yeah,
Dream
man.
Team.
One team, man.
One
Alright
team,
then.
yeah.
Yeah, man. Cool, on. Shannon, take care.
Thanks for the help, Dream Team.
Come on,
It
take care,
actually
bird,
makes
man,
other
bird,
kids
love.
also come true.
Sure.
You'll always be on a poster everywhere.
I'm on the love there,
Yeah,
man.
thank you, okay?
But yeah, you could
Thank you.
come from that Charlotte field, good still. Yeah, we don't know if she got remember Charlotte.
Yeah, tell them man, she come out.
I know somebody.
Come here, she come here, come keep her birthday.
Yeah.
She named Miss Mitch.
Miss Mitch, yeah.
I feel good that day that she keep up Charlotte.
Yeah, I know somebody that asked her as well too. Yeah, Mitch, pick up yourself for the birthday for Shannon as well too, you know. She come surprise her and bring her out, you know.
Feel good that day then, you know.
Yeah.
Glad for that still, you know. Yeah.
Someone that's if you'd raise chicken in your yard.
Yeah, man, me day to cook, man. Because I'm from Wire Park, Beverly, and cook up still.
Yeah.
We have a plan there still, you know, you see me?
To raise some phone in your
Yeah,
yard.
man.
Yeah.
Man, because the space there, you see?
Yeah.
Vampire, look at what you gonna do. Vampire, hold the space around this tree, you know.
Yeah.
You see me, I say, and it's a mission thing.
I want to cook the round pan aside.
Yeah, one big cook around the tree.
Yeah.
I'm at the space in my yard, I'm have 2 cooks in my yard right now, so. Good for him still.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you know, say, you see me?
Yeah, man, because the person.
Me get right, you know, me can bank on it, man. Me deal with it.
Yeah, man. So them I watch, so them I go see.
Any farmer wait for me can deal with it, because me put me towards anything, man.
You know, man.
know that from a long time.
I know that, man. And the fall are good for you as well. Some white fall, low.
Yeah, man, I'm blessed to get there still, you see?
Yeah.
Because I push that to me still.
Yeah.
See it, man, come and love the bird around
Hold on, man.
Yeah, man.
We take care of one another, man.
Yeah, man.
Have the white, but More time I like about a dog, but I don't know the people who are deal with the dog, so I'm not keep the dog.
Yeah. I don't want a dog to run up and down.
Young people are ill treated.
Yeah.
If you let my dog go, let me out.
True.
I can't have a dog, I'm not love my dog. See? If you let the dog, it never feel away. And if you avoid that, I'm not keep it. See? Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I love me. Why not?
Animals, them, of course.
See? Yeah, man. Can me take care of them from me get them.
Right,
Bless up JMT, my
yeah, man. Alright, then cool. Big up, man. Alright. Bye, Shane. Yeah. Bye. Alright, then, guys. So we're here. So that's it for the day. Till tomorrow we're going to head up by Cranberry, you know. So we have to say we have to go back to Spanish Town in the morning. You know, the thing goes there. So blessed love. 30 grand. We're not in 30, him say 60.
Yeah, man. 60 million.
Rasta Jackson, what going with the TikTok?
Yeah, man.
Come like you. Yeah, wait to see the thing.
Yeah,
put out the work, see me, you know.
Service.
Yeah. Don't watch because you put up a one video and not go on. You can send a video, you put it up. See? You know, look for me. Send a video up on your WhatsApp. From them time there. See, so when I put up on your TikTok? No, man, from last week. I sent him the video. In my phone, go on your WhatsApp. And go through. See there? See the video? The video even download already. See that the video even download already? See him have the video, look.
Yeah, share it.
How long I send that video there for your post there for your picture?
I'm waiting and send it out to me.
How long tell yeah. Come here, Esther. You have to be consistent.
Yeah, I tell him, you have to go on people like man, make people know you.
Yeah. Because I send a video to Esther, I will be there for him long time. I never post it on there. Hey, Jackson, I joke. That's sometimes you not want to do the stuff then. You know? Not want. Alright guys, so anyway thing goes on.
The water so fast.
No, I wait, should I wait and then come back?
Yeah,
I'm gone in the car.
No, I'm happy.
We just like a time already.
I put them on weird.
My Caesar rice, nice, what do you? Yes, yes. Evening. Nothing. Huh?
I mean, there's a
Yeah.
I first see across the river. And there's a river and that one looks like instant. And there's a that is a common.
Charge. Go on. Laugh. Laughter. What do you feel?
Yeah, man. That motors at the machine that give me a body within the day, you know. Machine should say no better than the way I.
In the way I.
And I still in the argument.
Yeah.
You can't put it over.
So I see him for the same. Lower eye.
Aye.
You see him for the same, man. That's why we tell us that we could bring you in from them time, but yeah. Wow. You want to know how much I got to take for learning a charge? If you really want to go back and say again? Yes, yeah, you know much people call me and tell me that charge, you don't even know how to play with them. A lot of people lose them loved ones because of the same thing. Yeah. It's very, very, very terrible. It's not normal, isn't it? Doctor said, doesn't know. You take it too light. I said, the amount of people call me and I say, boy, charge they even know. How much of them wish them have them family right now? Right now, I talk to a lady this man, she say, yo, she don't want, like, video call me and for sure, one of our family right now, when I'm like gone, I'm gone, and right now I'm under peer pressure because the same thing, you see me? And you know, when I do and pick up the bad habits back again, you see me, I say,
they come in the same way with me. Two man inside and side. The same thing come and kidney problem, them have a kidney.
yeah.
Good. They mash up them kidney, so you know, come up and say, so like a bomb me on the other side of me.
Yeah.
The man kidney, she swell up like bomb me, man.
I tell them, man, the people are
Yeah, same thing go on.
Evening now.
Yeah, we just get over eye.
over eye.
So you cannot mash up the kidney.
Much that man, and you don't want to lead to them thing there. Charge it. A second chance, I think that's from me know it till now. A second that you get. You see me? The first one was as minor strokes. You see me? I say, could have seen in a coma.
Doctor do it when they get the strokes there.
Yeah, and you get a second one. Okay, wait on the third one.
I don't more time, brother. Let's say try to fight the body feeling more time.
Yeah. So a certain habit you have to just cut it out in general. You see me I say, as a man to man, I make you know, you see me I say, can't play with your life like that because health is a thing where you cannot take, you see me. Remember you have the kids them, you know. And me say every time when you're in the hospital, you worry about the kids them. Why you worry about them when you're in there, when you should have the out here so? You see me I say. So exactly, so what happen when, remember you know, you're not going to know when they're gone, you know. Just like when you're asleep.
Yeah.
You don't know so you drop asleep. So when you're gone, you're not going to know so you're gone. You see me? We can have a chance to come and say, when I write kids, wait.
No, I got a chance.
You never got a chance. You get 2 chances. You get 2. I remember in between the chance and there's this.
For them, man. You know, 2 months, I'm there.
Because you're there on your body, yo, yeah. The products, them are work and everything. I know the habit. I know that the habit bring you back to them still. Certain times say, Charlie, big man thing, certain things you have to just leave it and start it at the end done. That makes no sense. Isn't it? Because I stop you from really literally focus on your health. Isn't it? It's prefect there. Prefect I tell you what they say, come we go. Because we know say yo, what could happen.
If him did know.
Yeah. That I always come down to, you know. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. You know? And trust me, if you go in from the night there, you would take down because right there with them they read you up, gauge it. Yeah, the morning. I admit for a couple of days.
I'm sure the transfer.
Yeah.
The next charge. Same thing, you know, till them up there. Them have to add waiting them every 2 days.
Think the problem.
Yeah. Dialysis.
And you say that is a thing, you know.
Them have to push some
blood. At least they know
the
blood, yeah.
And you know how much that cost? A day 15 grand.
Yeah, you have to do dialysis 2 times a week.
2 times a week.
2 times a week you have to do dialysis.
I tell you
and if you don't want to reach from the list, then remember the list them tall as well, you know.
The control and certain way that it up to you.
Yeah, that it up to you. I'm telling you, the people them worried, party, you see me? I mean, I tell you, Charlie, people, I beg you, please, them say, yo, I'm not read comments. You read the comments, them, Kenisha? You read comments?
But still him.
Hey.
Him judging.
Kenisha says she read comments. So from she read comments, she must so go on in everywhere. You understand? And trust me, it's not a good look. You see me I say? Can I come like say you talk to no, why you? Where got do? I see him for this that because show your adults and them a child, you know. When I talk to no, why you keep on the same thing over and over.
Have to set a better example.
You know?
Without you set the example, them can't follow.
Yeah.
Because the role where you play in them life, you know, and that will count.
I don't want to leave them in tears.
And you can't let them right,
you can't let them right now, brother. See, you have to do the biggest sacrifice in your life, just, you know, just.
Smoking and a feel line again.
No.
You don't need.
It was once upon a time in China. You know that thing once upon a time in China?
That movie there.
Yes. I swear to God, man, you know why?
Little trouble in that.
Yeah. You tell us, say, you know, I'm been through certain things.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
so when that's what me used to do it, and I'm looking for some people who I do it now, and I'm like, Jaja, remember when me used to do it, and I'm like, I'm glad me leave it alone.
And the thing
you know?
I don't like where people, well, them always, the habit, the bad habit that them adapt, I say you can't.
Stop.
What do you mean you can't? First and foremost, when you're born, you wasn't doing none of those. When you grow up, you need to do none. It's your mind and your bad habit make you start do the things where you don't want.
Yeah, of course.
So when the time comes for your break off, you're not supposed to say you can't.
Yeah.
Your mindset, you know. So you say anything where you program the mind, that you have to do. Yeah, man said, Channel Star, you know how much me I try. No. For instance, you have 1 week. 10 slip a day. Cut it down to 2 to 8. each time you train it done. And when you're done, you can't believe say you're done with it.
But I tell you about differently, you know, that's the way him live, him have a vibration with the nature. You see me I say? I just meds.
Him not
You know? Meds in the river, everything. You have to just enjoy what you have left.
Smoking and style.
Yeah, you see.
You're right here and see. Everywhere you just get bloated up.
Yeah.
You find it if you say
of course. I reborn again in the church. You reborn. When you leave certain bad habit, it's like you reborn and you're back again, you know. So 2 chance, remember say, since we are come up here, you know, remember right now you're a public figure to the world. The whole family is a public figure to the world. So the public figure see you get 2 chance. Then no one see the 3rd. You see me I say, because remember the Almighty always give people chances.
Yeah.
If you believe in him, you know. You see me, if you don't believe in him, then may understand. But if you believe in a creator, him give chances. And sometimes the man will say your luck will run out. You see me? Because most of us will live off a grace period. You know? Know it or not, we live off a grace period. And grace period is a thing that when it run out, it will run out. Yeah. Nothing can stop it. So it's like you have a water, go and drink out of it, and when the water done, it's done. That's what the grace period is, you see me? If a body have a grace period, then work with. Just like them say, cat have 9 lives. You see me? I say, which is we don't know anything, but then that's a saying. It's a saying, say cat have 9 lives. So when the cat 9 lives run out, you know, say, yo, it's gone. So we have grace period we're working on, you know? You have to take it serious, man. You see me? And let me say, you don't have to take it serious for yourself, or take it serious for the kids then. You see me? Because you have to become grandpa. You see me I say? Because you turn grandpa yet, you know. So you have to go there for a very long time to turn grandpa. And that's where you have the diabetic, trust me, the moment I never know so much diabetic people watch my program. You know much of them jealous when time they see you get the treatment from you and you say you feel good. Because of you know much of them guy you have to get treatment because them say you feel good. And then I'm going to feel disappointed if you know say, yo, John was time, never eat on time, all the certain thing on time, so that means you not take it serious. Because you feel good now, you say, yes, good, you know. But that was the trick of it. You see me? When you tell yourself, say, yeah, I'm good now, I feel better, and they just, you know, best
same thing with the youth, man. When them tell me, when they must say, doctor, tell him what to do. He must say, in himself, him feel, say, man,
alright.
I turn to him and I say, listen, you see anything where doctor say, you go work with a tooth way. Doctor is a thing where them save you and them kill you. So you see when the chance you get for them save you, work with that chance.
Yes, work with it, man.
You see,
work with it, man.
Work with that chance because them don't have to give that chance.
Yeah.
So you get the chance, you need to work with it.
Just work with it.
And see, I got end up with the same thing like the youth when I tell you. And I saw him also do it, you know, hide and smoke. Nah, because once you start smoke again, your appetite cut.
Yeah.
You don't want no
you don't want to eat,
you just want the smoke.
Yeah, you not going to eat.
And then you know everything start malfunction back now. Till everything no good in it. So you gotta live off our key now till the grace period. Yeah. And when that done now, your life just done.
I may explain to charge and to charge it. You see the most of the pressure where they have, especially for the space where they want.
You get
that come off of your shoulder where you don't have to spend $1. The people then make sure say you have a little space for your family. You see me? So if I like before when you say, you know what, me like go through that struggle, what me got to put on a room there and anything. You get that out the way and you have people. So the whole thing will happen, the people then are going to feel disappointed and get put off and say, no, in a sense we are trying to help that family because we are trying, but they don't want to help themselves. You see me? So they put yourself in a feeling position and you the overseas and you are sent to them and then you could think there. And you realize so what me I try to help them but they don't want to help themselves. What you da do? You just put off and just stop. And I just want you to take notice and say certain things kind of slow down because people realize that maybe they not take the opportunity where they might get. They reach this far and they just want to stop. You see me? You have to just go all the way out. You see me? We can't get too comfortable in idea. You see me? I say, because I remember we start off so well and everything. You see me? I'm telling you, I know we are doing it, you know. The Almighty are doing it. The Almighty there and see you struggle. You know, when I say end time everything complete, I'm going to show you one. The first time I come here, and video. And I walk past here when you say what a boom at this, the first time I come up here, me and the man them walk past and the video catch you. And I go show you like a footage there from how they look till now. You see me I say? And you go look for yourself and say, Jano, I did need this. You see me? Because everything changed from them time till now. Because weight come off of your shoulder. You see me? I'm going to show you the footage. I'm going to screenshot it for your eyes and look point and say, what are some of the look? You see me? Because to them time they probably think about 1 million things women got to do for and make the family have this and make the family have that. You see me? But since now, the people them come and try to help, the pressure come off of you put on weight, your face get fresh, everything get fresh. You see me I say? They come like when them say when people reach, it show up on them. You see me? When stress come off of you can see the relief. And at that happen, the relief will come off of you, brother. I'm going to show you that. I'm supposed to have the screenshot on my phone. And I'm going to show you that I wonder if I need this. You see me? Yeah, I'm see it and I'm like, because a lot of us, when we just start even the program, a lot of changes from everybody from the program. Myself and everybody where you see.
Just come from the
sure. You see me? Everybody from me go right down in show so yo, wow, so much changes we go through. Yeah. Yo, I tell you,
I see some of my clippings and come back, you know.
Yeah.
I watch myself.
And you're like, somebody look.
I say any look, man. I real life.
And I remember, and then worse, it get worse, it get better. You see me, it get better. Because I remember saying, probably that man would have go through film stage, same way. Come on the program, people reach out, you see me, meet people, people give strength. So that pressure they come on for you in a certain way, so you can breathe a little bit more, you see me, so you can see upon everybody. Everybody put on weight and free up and everything, and man like, Jaja will give thanks and grateful, you see me. That's why you have before and after. Every one of my videos you have before and after. So when you see the before and then you see after, you go like, yeah, you see me. Every opening you have before and after. And when I first meet and I walk past you, I go say, oh, that didn't mean that. You see me? Like, you know, I'm just stressed out and look wild and just sit down and your ear look away and beat up and everything and you just see it and you just catch you the zone out and the under two special and your big head split and it's dead. Yeah. So them time they look like saying in your 70s and you look like you're gone in your 20s. Yes. And then like you're gone back in your 20s, so you have to always do the right thing in general. You see me?
When it comes to a man, you know say, oh, you know feel hard, feel really take in, we don't own. No matter if you live with a woman or who you have around you, if you not do it for you, them not have to do it for you. Because you come first. And if you not put yourself first, why the next one to go out of the way? To put you first. With your own bad habit. No, you have to change your bad habit.
You have to change.
To make sure you meet with the person where I look out for you. I saw the thing work, you know.
You have to.
Because a teamwork make the dream work.
That only encourage them now if you can sweeten your labor. You see me? Like, yes, at least this man have. You see me? Because remember, you know, what take into them most, because Cranberry and then the effort we have to try. You see me? You put in the work and everything. You see me? So that's a great blessings to them, see me, for us at least him a try, see me. You see me? But when time you get comfortable, man, once say, you know, I feel good and everything. You see me? And that's will be the setback.
Frost meds. Because I know like yeah, all of meds say $1 million they overselling. I get the line it up to come. No, when you're zone out and
you start get comfortable.
Yeah man, you can't get comfortable man, trust me. You can't get comfortable man. If you just do the right thing. I'm gonna beg a charge for the kids them sake. Please just take the health serious. You see me? Not for your sake, but for the kids them sake. You see me? Tara and Toko. You see me? Nana and Cranberry.
I want a virgin, me have a bit long after me and drop out gone. I have a virgin ship out of Virgin, Ziggy.
Yeah.
Yeah, end of that, me and my sister, they have it, him and him sister, they have it to see. Same as how when they come out and talk, but to them man they love him drinks and soda and something there. And same way them that time. Kidney problem, man. I'm not that right here for dialysis.
Yeah. So
I see him 2 times a week, something I tell about 2 times a week he have to do it.
yeah, no, that's what I
Never
still.
work out.
You have to stay far from the whole of that right now. You see me? Moving forward, you have to stay far from the whole of that, trust me. You see me? The whole of that.
They be done, the eye drops them and something.
Yeah.
They kind of done. I'm saying, I'm my son now.
Start feeling.
Yeah.
Well, I say you can't defeat the purpose. If you depend on them, you have to do the right thing. That's the only way you can help. You see me? Getting them is one, but if you not do the right thing, it not gonna work how you want it to work. It might work 1%, but it not gonna work the full 100. It not gonna put, and you want the full 100. You really want the full 100. You see me? Them not done stuff them yet. Oh, so. You see me? So what he has me say train over there, the barrel of stuff they come, from Viv, from Brooklyn, so you can understand Viv.
Viv from Brooklyn, man, only for thanks and respect, man, and more honor, man, only for thanks and respect, man.
Yeah.
For everything,
And the brown rice, just make sure the brown rice, you always eat the brown rice. They might eat white rice and then cook your brown rice different, you see me? So you have to cut off a certain starch.
Come see and give thanks, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
So that's why I'm telling Kenisha, say, yo, don't make them doing it so quick. You understand?
Yeah, kind of that's that I come like when I come here, they push out there, come on after 7.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, I wait for some paper and something for
Yeah.
by clinic and something.
So, them time, see me, you go and preserve, see me,
Yeah.
Trust me. So, alright, so I have some little donation for them as well too. Nana!
Nana, wash.
Nana, wash.
Nana, peanut butter.
Come here, Toko. Come, Tara.
Oh, I could have big up somebody. Really would see you again today, and really would big up yourself again.
Nana, Toko, come here.
I suppose to Maroon Man friend,
Maroon man, one shot you.
Maroon Man friend.
Him sell stuff.
Yeah,
clothes,
him sell clothes.
Yeah. Really good. You see you already. Nana, you washing up plate. Good girl.
And to my mind.
Come on,
Wipe
yeah,
out
dear.
and me have to go wipe out.
And yeah, and have to keep the place clean.
No,
Or you draw them still open again.
my mother go in there.
And so your mother set the bad example then.
No, she have a good job.
Tell her to lock it back then. So mommy, tell her to lock it back. Tell her to lock it back. Make it. So you do schoolwork already, do schoolwork?
Long time, my book left for school. She
So
can
no
collect that from me.
for the schoolwork and then have the housework and the yard work. Yard must always sweep up. Yeah? Come from school, I have to make sure my plate wash, my yard sweep up. Of course, if my mother can come and say the place stays so.
You get
And my father,
So the same thing
I can't play no football, I can't do nothing unless them they get started out.
Yesterday when my mother come, she nearly killed me because I'm come and see us. Not clean.
So Nana, come here Nana. Got $2,000 here for you Nana. From Liz from USA. So come. Thank Liz from the USA.
Thank you, Willie, from the USA.
Yes, $2,000 from Liz from the USA. So we thank you so much, Liz. Liz, we thank you so much, for this donation, for the kids them, right? And but when I say Cranberry name, sorry for her, So I'm gonna call Tara. Here, Tara. I say her Tara name. Tara, here's $1,500 for you, Tara. So thank you, Liz.
Liz, thanks. Tara, no want the money.
Come on, Tara, stop it.
come take Calicut and tell these thanks.
She just a show off,
I
so.
just want the conflict, but I not mix it for her. She need to drink water.
Take it and you get the coffee.
Give me take it for her. Please, thank you very much. I'm going to get it now. May I use it? Please, thank you so much, and may God bless you and make your food basket never empty.
Toko.
Then I'm going to get the conflict. Here?
She's coming that, she said.
Toko, come here.
So here's $2,000 a year for you, Toko.
Get none, Toko.
From Liz. So thank Liz. Here.
Thank you, and don't
Oh yeah,
your food basket never empty.
Alright. So we have 2 more left. The name begin with C. How funny name begin with C? Nobody though. So that I guess somebody else. A look man name?
Stop doing that, look man don't have Vinci then.
So how name have Vinci? How name have C now? Nobody else?
So want to bomb me, you know?
Nothing. Come to you.
Yeah, see them here.
Which one to see there?
In that one, yeah.
No, no scene in a Tonian.
Yeah?
No, there's no scene Tonian. Where you get that?
So you name?
You know my name, Kino?
That's the one your name. Yeah, your daughter name. In that, yes, or not?
The name Cranberry. Spell C in a Cranberry.
Yes.
You forgot about that? Alright, so come Miss Cranberry. So I have $2,000 for you as well too. From Liz. Liz.
Liz, thank you so much. I make a full basket never empty.
Okay. And I have another one for you as well too. This is from Clifton. So Clifton say, I must please listen whenever anyone talk to you. Yeah, be a good child and please take it into your book. Right? Yes.
I treated them never be wrong.
Alright, so
I'm a
this is
teacher, some people bring one extra book and that one the weather school done.
alright, so this is $5,000 a year for you from Clifton from Brooklyn.
What's your name?
Clifton.
Clifton from Brooklyn. Thank you so much. I make a full basket never empty.
Alright, so we give thanks to Clifton. Liz, you know, we thank you so much, you know, for blessing the family. You know, I say it's nothing but love and love alone. And I said thank you is like an understatement, you know, for you guys is doing, but the Almighty know best, so He will definitely give you guys a blessing that you surely deserve, you know, for reaching out for this family, you know, so it's nothing but love and love alone. So you know, the thing goes already, guys, we're still on a journey, you know, our marathon still continue, same way, you know, so I'm going to say, we only can talk to Chargy. Chargy have to do the right thing, isn't it? Him have to do the right thing, you know. So as I say, we don't want to see the third encounter, and you guys don't want to see me put up say charges admitted again in hospital. You don't want to see that. You understand? Kids enough to talk to him. Nana, you have to talk to him. Okay, Nana? Nana, turn on her face. You're not going to talk to him.
What I'm saying? Okay. If in here, I'm go, alright. Have a teacher here, boy. Time I say, your father, alright. Every time when he come at school, he give me teacher something.
Oh. Yeah, they have to do the right thing. They have to do the right thing. Chargy. As we say, it's up to you now, you know. It's up to you now.
One idiot. You don't listen, you go in. You're not here, you have to get punished. One minute. I'm serious, but just tell you go in there, so. And I'm slap you, I say, this man, that's go so.
Charge, as I say, push out, you know.
Alright.
So everything is up to you.
Yeah, brother.
You see me? Guys, you hear him say? Yeah, brother, man. So we don't want to call him, yeah, man. You know, people can say true, man. We don't want to call him true, man. You know? Like I say, yeah, man, a true man. Who wants, you know, do the right thing.
Get that name of the yeah, man, a true man.
Yes. You know, I know them name there. I don't want to say, yo, Jaja only charge you with no star. You know, we don't want that. You know, I just want the right thing. You know? I mean, I beg you, please, let me say, as a man, brother, man to man, you see me? I don't say man to man is so unjust. But to a brother, to another brother, I beg you, please, just take it serious. You see me? It's not something to play with, you know? I say, right now, you have 1 million problem, you know? But when you're sick, that's the biggest problem that you have. Right? It doesn't matter all the problem you have before. When you take down sick. I just one day. There's no other one. You know? There's no other. So if you just stress one before and say you want this and you want that and you want some more to this, but when you're sick, and the only thing you worry about now, because your life, that. You see me? And that's so. The kids, you know, must tell daddy, say, daddy, please, we don't want you sick anymore, right, Nana? Yeah? So daddy, we don't want to cry for you, we just want you okay. And if you tell him, you know, yeah? And then I shut you. You tell him, Georgie, do the right thing, please. You know, please, we are begging you, yeah? Begging you, please. Kanisha, later.
Alright, family.
Cranberry. Later.
I don't know one get more than thing for the food, you know.
For your food?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, bring her in, Nana. I'm serious.
So the food one is done?
Yeah, done.
But that alone not go on, but you have to just kind of build back a little bit. You see me? Because it alone not going to work. You have to get the thing as well, so we have to drink also. So they're going to make him know. You see me? But as I say, you have to go build up back. You see me? Because right now, you just come out your body feel weak. You see me? So you have to just eat some food and build up. Yes. Build up back the structure because you need that. Yeah?
Make you stay in there because she'll come back around tomorrow.
And now for us make you cry.
Go in.
Yeah, man, I make sure you know, so
Tara, listen.
Cranberry, come here. Bring her here.
Come here now.
Just the same thing with school. This man you have to cover her up and the Cranberry bring her to the chaos here. Now don't worry, you come back here. Don't bring her back here now.
stand up with them.
But remember, you know,
you can't ring our skin. I have to tell her, say, yo, school, you're going to be in here with me.
but remember, you know, you spoil her that way, you know, so it's like hard for you to broke her out, you know. Yeah. Because she always gets it. You see?
Go up and take a piece of wire. Go up. Hello, come here.
Yeah, but then you don't scare the child and don't save the rod and scare the child.
Yeah.
So that means you can't spoil it.
Yeah, you can. And she definitely not take no talk, you know. So she not take no talk.
That dog have a bad style. He love going on like he want sugar down.
In there? Yeah, man, because he knock you down, you know. He will knock you down, you know. He just run right in front, you know.
No, sugar. If you're there upon the pinnacle and sugar. Big wild thing. That's what I get.
This is your run. Come down. If it takes a long time, I know you can find. If it takes a long time, I know you will find. If it takes a long time, I know you can find. I told her, I got fix her. What are?
You want to say go up and come down. Did they go up? In the eye. The eye. But I'm tell them to for those. You have to keep them place clean and everything brother, because them thing there and destroy the kids. With those vibes. Those are movements of job people are pretty taken in the nature. That works. Guys, everything goes already, so we're going to head back in. I'm going to say I give my 1 cent and 2 cents to the family. You know, hopefully things can alright with the dad. You understand? So change is needed. You know, so hopefully everything is different. You know, and don't get back to the habits. You know, and just make them focus and think about the kids them. You know, because kids them are gonna need a father. You know. And the kids them need them parents. You know, so that'll be the right thing. So it's gonna be getting a bit dark now. So we're gonna head back in. You know, so blessed love guys, I thank you so much. Nothing but love and love alone. Anything about the dream team, one team, you know, it's the only real team. Blessed love guys. Peace out. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.